Avalanche slide value is the same as $4.7101 for a coin, which is about 4.26N9 at the moment. $42.25, up from $41.46 at the end of the day, a move of 0.436, or 1.06%. Change the rate from US dollars to AUD. The expected value of an avalanche slide in 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027 is $2.21 million. The expected cost of an avalanche slide in December 2023 is $49.38, 075, 522, which is 14.6% more than it was in December 2011. Avalanche's low estimate for January 2024 is that the first item will cost $45.59, which is a lot more than the usual $84.80. The low cost for the month is $4,552. $56.64 avalanche slide cost guess near the end of the month, $50.66 change from January to February 2024, which is 11.3% more than expected. The initial cost estimate for February 2024 was $50.66, which was too high at $62.80 and too low at $50.66, which was the average price for the month. $55.72 avalanche slide cost number near the end of the month, $58.79 change for F first cost $58.70 too much cost $72.94, while low cost 58.7 is the average for the month. Estimated cost of $646 for an avalanche slide near the end of the month. The price of an avalanche slide is expected to start at $68.17, which is a crazy 68.17%, while the usual price for the month is 58.7%. This is a 16% change for spring. $6,454 avalanche slide cost estimate at the end of the month, $632, which is 7.4% more than in April. Avalanche makes a guess that the cost of May 2024 will start at $6.31, which is much higher than the usual cost of $61.05. $651 avalanche slide cost measure near the end of the month, $656 avalanche slide cost expectations for June 2024 started at $65.64, which was $7.51 more than the average cost of $61.20 for the month. This was a 4% change from May. $658 avalanche fall cost gauge near the end of the month for June. The price of the avalanche slide gauge went up by 0.4% to $65.90. For July 2024, it will start at $65.90, which is a very high price of 71.8 seconds. For the month, the regular price is 62.4 seconds.